So good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and germs, to all the parts of the world. Kit Castillo here. Welcome back to another discussion. Decided to make this video as my year-end video because Now, I apologize for the weeks that passed by without me sharing any of my realizations and learnings in life in general because priorities. Now, I will dedicate my time for the coming 2020 to making more videos, making more vlogs, and yeah, that's it. So, anyway, may I share to you something? I want to share to you something though. I found this book. I got this in November. Yeah, November. And then I started reading it in December. So it's called The Daily Stoic. 366 Meditations on Wisdom, Perseverance, and the Art of Living. It's by Ryan Holiday, the author of Ego is the Enemy and Obstacle is the Way. And Stephen Hanselman. I don't know about this guy. Anyway, I got this book, because I realized that I want to learn something every day and I want to maintain my stoicism for the rest of 2020 and for the rest of my life. Why? Because I just want to, and I want to live my life that way. Now, I stumbled upon this reading. It's on December 26. It's December 30 today. It's December 30, Philippine Standard Time. What time it is, I do not know. Now, I'm going to read to you the reading for December 26. Okay. December 26. Life is long if you know how to use it. It's not all that we have too short a time to live, but that we squander a great deal of it. Life is long enough, and it's given in sufficient measure to do many great things if we spend it well. But when it's poured down the drain of luxury and neglect, when it's employed to no good end, and we're finally driven to see that it has passed by before we even recognized it passing. And so it is. We don't receive a short life, we make it so. Seneca on the brevity of life. No one knows how long they have to live, but sadly we can be sure of one thing. We'll waste far too much of life. Waste it sitting around, waste it chasing the wrong things, waste it by refusing to take the time to ask ourselves what's actually important to us. Far too often, we're like the overconfident academics that Petrarch criticized in his classic essay on ignorance. The types who fritter away their powers incessantly caring for things outside of them and seek themselves there. Yet, they have no idea this is what they're doing. So today, if you find yourself rushed or uttering the words, "I just don't have time," stop and take a second. Is this actually true? Or have you just committed to a lot of unnecessary things? Are you actually being efficient? Or have you assumed a great deal of waste into your life? The average American spends something like 40 hours a year in traffic. That's months over the course of a life. And for traffic, you can substitute so many activities, from fighting with others, to watching television, to daydreaming. Your life is plenty long. Just use it properly. Now, it struck me because 2019, another decade is coming to an end, and I realized that for the past 10 years, what have I been doing? Yung mga pinagagawa kong bagay. First half of that decade, puro laro because I was a student back then. And ngayon, puro hustle, puro grind, puro meditations, puro reflections. Why? Because I have realized the value of time. Lalo na sa mga seaman, kasi isa nga akong seaman. Na-realize ko kung saan dapat gamitin yung oras na ibinigay sa atin. And napaisip ako nung nasa barko ako na hindi nga mahaba ang buhay, we make it so. Parang tayo yung gumagawa ng paraan para maging maiksi yung buhay natin. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko na gusto kong mabuhay sa paraan na alam ko or sa paraan na gusto ko. And gusto kong gamitin yung oras ko sa paraan na alam kong makakatulong sa akin, makakatulong sa mga mahal ko sa buhay at makakatulong sa mga tao sa paligid ko. Sa paparating na 2020, gusto kong sabihin na gagawa ko ng daily vlogs gamit ito. Babasahin ko siya i-share ko yung realizations ko. At kung nasa barko na, at kung magkataon man na nasa barko na ako, ang mangyayari, susubukan ko pa rin mag-upload sa account ko, and susubukan ko pa rin makakapag-share sa inyo kahit na yun nga, kung nasabi ko sa inyo mga nakaraang videos ko na medyo may kamahalan nga yung internet kapag nasa barko or nasa ibang bansa ka. So, ayun. Kung hindi ko man magawang mag-upload sa account ko habang nasa barko ako, iipunin ko lang siya sa laptop, tapos pag uwi, i-share ko siya ng bagsakan. Pasensya na kung yun lang yung paraan na alam ko, kasi ngayon yun lang talaga. Tsaka may kamahalan talaga yung internet. Ngayon, gusto ko sa paparating na 2020, sa paparating na bagong dekada, gusto ko tanungin yung sarili. Gusto ko kayong tanungin. Tanungin niyo yung sarili niyo. Bigyan niyo yung sarili niyo ng oras para magtanong, mag-isip, mag-reflect. Intindihin yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina, pinagbabasa ko kanina. Kasi karamihan sa atin sinasabi na wala akong oras eh. No? Ba't hindi natin itanungin yung sarili natin? Wala ba talaga akong oras o hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung dapat kong i-prioridad? Yan lang. Gusto ko pag-isipan nyo yung tanong na yun. Gusto ko pag-isipan nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko, pinagbabasa ko kanina. Para sa paparating na bagong dekada, magamit nating lahat ang oras na ibinigay sa atin sa ikabubuti natin, sa ikasasaya natin, tsaka sa ikatututo natin. Yan lang. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to share this to someone, please show this to them or send them the link. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you think that I have things to develop in myself, or the way I edit videos, or the way I talk. Please write them down on the comment section. Okay, see you in my next video for the 2020. This is Job signing out in 2019. Goodbye.